So we're here in the Drayton Manor Hotel. It's Louise's birthday and National Rollercoaster Day. It has been raining very hard today, so I didn't vlog unfortunately because it's rained all day. We had a family room booked and we've been upgraded to the presidential room because I requested if they could give us a free upgrade for her birthday. Totally surprised, but this is the Mulberry Presidential Room 244. So I'm going to take you in and give you a room tour. Alright, so me and Louise weren't expecting this at all, but we come into the room and there are stairs. So here we go, this is the entrance. It's one of those where you put your card in to put the lights on. There's aircon in this bedroom. Come up the steps, let's go straight into the first room on the right. It's got a long corridor with all these windows. As you come into the bathroom, it is a very spacious bathroom. Of course, me and Louise are staying in the Arabian Nights suite at Alton Towers. Except we paid for that one on a very good price. This big old sweeping mirror right round with his and her sinks. These are very fancy little towels all here. It's a heated towel here which I've just thrown the towels on. They weren't on there and I've turned it on, so they don't come looking like that. Drinking glasses. We've got a shower here with a massaging head and a smaller one. It's quite nice. The toilet. Not square, happy with that. We've got our toilet rolls and this lovely bath, which at one point looks like it was a jacuzzi bath. It looks like there was a panel there at one point, but it's not anymore. Still very nice. I'm sure Louise is going to give that a go in a minute. All your towels are up here when you get here, so you've got one for the floor, bath mat and all that sort of thing. So coming out of the bathroom now into this lovely... I love this wood effect they've got. It's all textured if you run your hands across it. Got sockets all down this corridor. Another mirror, so if you don't like looking at yourself in the mirror, I am soaked. We just came off the Storm Force 10 after a day in the rain. Okay, so this is the main chamber here. Louise is hiding from the camera because we both look like drowned rats.
Like a drowned rat.
That's your panning view of the area. We're in the spire of the hotel. I think this is the only presidential suite.
You can look all around. If you look outside in a minute, you can see the ground.
It's crazy. So here's the first feature. This is a huge, probably 50. No, it's got to be a 60-inch TV. Very nice. Lou, we can plug your Nintendo Switch into it.
Oh my god, we're gonna have the best night ever. I'm not even kidding.
So we can plug all of this in. We've got HDMI. We just hope we bought the HDMI lead.
Shall we cancel our room reservation and just have Domino's Pizza here?
Oh, we'll see. We'll see.
I don't know, that just seems like a great idea.
All around here we got cupboards. They've got nothing in them. They're just like storage. Nothing there. That's the only one there. Just got into this room, so we don't really know where everything is. Here's the tea and coffee facilities that come with the room. Another mirror. Hi there, drowned rat. I don't look too bad actually. I'm drying off. We got a hairdryer here, pretty standard, just in the drawer, so that's handy to know where that is. Down here.
Fridge, though.
Down here we got another cupboard. Bin over here. We got this lovely view out of here. The only thing that could make this room better if this was one giant window. Wouldn't it?
Yeah, with electronic.
I think I'm asking for too much. The view is nothing to be excited about, really. This tree's in the way, but you'd be able to see the whole park if that tree wasn't in the way. If you come round to say this window, you can see the park. As you can see, it's quite grim out there. It's stopped raining now by the looks of it, or it's spitting, but it's been raining all day. It's very quiet up here, can't hear a whisper from people. All of these have windows. Lovely details in the ceiling. The carpet is this really spongy plush carpeting which I'm liking. There's a table for you to sit at, and there is also a double sofa for you to sit at. And if you don't want to do that, there is a king size bed here. Me and Louise, we waste a king size bed because we just snuggle in one corner, don't we, Lou?
Don't tell them that.
But yeah, let's test the bed. Oh, Lou.
I haven't even been on the bed.
Hold on. Lou, hold. Bed test. Oh, you just sink into it. That's really comfy. I don't want to get on too much. I'm really wet. Yeah, it's a very plush bed. We got the.
I can't with those. So.
Oh, velvet pillows. Louise won't touch these. She hates velvet.
Sensory thing.
We got phone here with all the details on it. We have a light, which is a twist or. Okay, that's the lighting. Oh, okay, so we got there are all the dimmers on there. Got bedside lamp. And Parkland's bar and restaurant where you can order stuff to the room service. Got a cupboard here, which kind of has a weird thing because you can kind of see around the back, which is where the corridor is. I wonder if this room's been refitted recently by the looks of it. In here we have a safe, we have a ironing board with iron, and we have a trouser press. So if you need to do some ironing, you're set basically. On this side we have a drawer with the Holy Bible in it, as always with your hotel rooms, and another empty drawer. I'm loving the details on this. I was expecting to do a room tour on a standard family room because that was the room we got originally. We couldn't just get a double, there were none left. Tell a lie, the family rooms were cheaper than the double rooms. Okay, so when we were booking it, Louise was with me and she was like, let's put something down for my birthday, like a little memo. So
I just thought maybe I'd get a balloon or something.
Yeah,
you know,
or chocolates on the bed or something. But yeah, just put
as a joke. It's my obviously I don't expect this.
It's my girlfriend's birthday. Can we have a free room upgrade basically? And I can't imagine they sell this room out too much. Like we paid for one night here with tickets £140.
And we've got the free ticket to come back,
yeah,
so technically we haven't paid for a ticket. So all we pay for is the family room.
This room, as far as I'm aware, you can't book online, you have to call up for, so I don't imagine it gets booked out very often, but you're probably talking a good £200-300 a night for this.
We'll have a look, and then if we can find it, we'll put the price at the bottom for a normal night.
But it is an amazing room.
Obviously.
If you're interested in coming here, we'll put details on how you can book it. But yeah guys, that's my room tour. One thing that I will say about this room, there is no mini fridge in here that I've found, which is a bit of a pain in the bum because it's nice to have chilled water, but there is complimentary water over there.
There's Ferrero Rochers, which I'm having, by the way.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, there are, look, there's two.
Wow. Oh, but I'll have the Bickies.
No, I'll have them too.
Okay.
You can have that low calorie sweetener.
This room is amazing, like honestly, best upgrade we have had ever. Like I say, me and Louise have stayed in the Arabian Nights suite.
We've stayed in nice rooms. We've stayed in the Big Blue Hotel, very nice.
Yeah,
and we've stayed in the Arabian Nights suite. But this is nice.
As I was saying, we paid for that. We just paid for a standard room, so this is like an amazing thing to be upgraded to. So we've been looking around the room and we found a mini fridge. Believe it or not, around the side of the TV, so it's down here. Tucked away where you would never see it, but there you go, there is a little mini fridge, which I was just about to say, hold on, I can't even open it now. Oh, it's there, that's why. So yeah, quite a spacious one actually, but you know, you wouldn't expect a suite not to have one, but there is one after all. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the room tour, by all means leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more theme park content. Check out the Instagram, and we'll see you in the next video, which I'm sorry there's no vlog from here, but the weather has been too bad to film today.
Bye, it's my birthday.